Well, today I got some good news. If you have suffered a loss or feel like your money's frozen in Voyager Digital, today you might want to listen to this. So if you go to Voyager Digital's website, you're going to see this again. The website is undergoing updates and we are moving through a voluntarily restructuring process and work to restore our services on our mobile and web platforms. Okay, so nothing has changed there. Let's get into the actual article here. So according to Blockchain News, Voyager Digital asks court to allow withdrawal request. Yeah, so if you feel like you are locked out and frozen in, you're going to want to hear what I have to say. And then we'll also go over Voyager's stock and crypto price. See what I see there. So embattled crypto brokerage firm Voyager Digital recently sought permission to process user withdrawals from the federal bankruptcy court. This is important stuff here. You're going to want to pay attention to this. Okay. According to a recent court filing, now today being July 18th, 2022, Voyager is requesting a permit from the court to approve users' withdrawal requests. The amount is in excess of $350 million US. The funds are in a for benefit of customers, an FBO account with New York's Metropolitan Commercial Bank. Okay. So this is kind of ironic here. The firm is trailing this line to lessen customers' worry and restore investors' confidence. According to the firm, failure to honor customer withdrawals any longer could materially harm customer morale. I think it already has. You know, when you say things like, you can't take your money out, believe me, it has an instant negative effect on customer morale. All right. Just to recall, July 4th, Voyager Digital halted withdrawals on its platform due to market downturn, liquidity problems. Shortly after that, they filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. I have 2 videos about this. I will put it at the end of this video, put a couple cards on the screen. You can easily click on them to update yourself real quick. The struggling firm says it also has $1.3 billion in crypto assets on its platform and also holds over $350 in the FBO account. Yes, we know that. In addition, okay, and this is huge, Voyager says it has claims in excess of $650 million worth with Singapore-based Three Arrows Capital. Okay, so what does that mean? We'll quickly jump here. Crypto asset broker Voyager Digital has issued a notice of default to cryptocurrency focused hedge fund Three Arrows. So they want some money back. They want money after the financially troubled hedge fund Three Arrows failed to make the required payments on its loan worth more than $670 million. So there is money to be, they're trying to get their money back. Now, once that happens, I'm hoping they do the right thing and start doling it out to the people who got burned, whose assets got frozen, basically. So we'll see what happens with that. So at least they're trying to get that back. So with customers' funds still trapped, the crypto community awaits the court's ruling on this issue. The court has fixed August 4th, so that's roughly 2 weeks away for the hearing. So that's the hearing to try to get the court to approve users' withdrawal requests. So April 4th, it'll go into court, it'll be heard. Then we wait for a result. Okay, so yeah, it's not a good position to be in if your money is frozen. I gotta admit, very bad. Excuse me. Gosh. Okay, let's just quickly jump over here. As you know, Voyager Digital, this is a stock market. Their stock, they got booted off stock market, let's just say, because of, they're filing bankruptcy, but they're trying to restructure. So they got thrown onto the pink sheets, the OTCs, the over the counters. When people say I trade penny stocks for a living, and they do very well. So these guys, if they know what they're doing, the pink sheets, that's where like the penny stocks are. Let's just say the OTC over the counter stocks. And now Voyager Digital is a penny stock. Penny stock. Okay. Just to give you the big picture. It wasn't like that before, but now it is. They're trying to restructure. I don't know if they have good intentions. I'm not telling you to get in or get out of anything. I just want to keep you posted. And today being some good news with the fact that they're trying to, loosen up the old purse strings and let some withdrawals come out to you, to whoever, has their money froze with these guys. So their stock is going sideways, more selling than anything else. And if I had to make a guess, I'll just look at their weekly. This was kind of a short squeeze here, so I wouldn't, let's see. If I had to make a guess, what the heck's going to go on? I don't know. I don't know if this will be one of the companies that can turn things around. It seems to be a trend now, people trying to turn things around. But of course, this major sell-off, saying you're going to go bankrupt and, freezing assets, of course, you're going to downtrend pretty good and have major sell-offs. And that's exactly what happened here. So this is a weekly chart. Trends your friend. This thing's probably going to continue to go down. Don't have a crystal ball. But anyway, this is a stock. So let's jump over to their token really quick. Oh yeah, here you go, day chart. So this was more like a short squeeze here the other day. And we're pulling in. So this is VGX, the token. And again, I don't know what'll happen. For this thing to turn around and go up, it's going to definitely need some more volume. People are going to have to be able to get their money out, number one. And we know now it's not going to be till August 4th that the courts even listen to this idea of getting the money out. I don't know what they want to do with the money if it's froze. I don't know. So we'll wait and see. So a couple weeks away there. But I am going to pay attention to this. I think it's very interesting. It's very sad that this happened. Very sad indeed. And I feel sorry for anybody who lost and also have their money frozen, locked up, because it cannot be a good position to be into. It cannot. So I hope I at least brought a little bit of sunshine in your life today with that news. And if you could hit the old like button, share my videos. In a second or two, you'll see a couple more videos flashing on the screen. If you want to be more updated on the latest breaking Voyager news, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. And remember, do your own research before getting into anything, stocks or cryptos. Just do your own research and only trade with money you can afford to lose. And to just have another positive point, Bitcoin today reached over $22,000 for the first time in 30 days. So what's that tell you? Little bit of good news right there. People are starting to feel a little bit better in the whole crypto space. The sentiment is starting to pick up. I'm seeing more of these lending firms kind of trying. I don't even know if I should really, I don't want to say that they're too much, but they're trying to do what's right. I'm happy to see that. We'll just see if it actually can happen. All right, guys, like, share, subscribe, and I will thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.